Hello YouTube, I'm back with a new video. This is Dji Action 2, a new generation of magnetic action camera. I had a chance to play with it and this is what I think. But before, let's check the footage. Yes, that footage was recorded with Dji Action 2 and this is power combo. Let's see what's in the box. This little camera inside the metal shell is able to record up to 4K in 120 frames per second, which is good. You've got 3 lenses option, ultra wide, wide and normal. You've got 2 color modes, normal color and cine light, which is flat profile with bigger dynamic range, still easy to grade. The things I like about this camera and metal connections with the power module or external extra display. If you got the other pack, it's great. Look, very nice. Oh, what I like is that you can stick it to the metal. Boom, that's actually good. That's big plus. It comes with that neck strap, can be used like that. If I use it inside my shirt, to be honest, for me it's not gonna hold that strong. Look, I wouldn't trust it. Image quality depends entirely of the lighting situation. If there is enough light, footage look good. It's sharp, vibrant. If there is not enough light, it looks like garbage. It's grainy, so this is not a good camera for low light situation. Even that sequence we shot in early morning would be okay for like 25 or 50 frames per second, but because we recorded that in 120 frames per second, it came up grainy. Okay, so let's test audio now, the microphone. A bird singing. So I'm back to my car now, we're doing quick microphone test. Sound quality is decent, using in-camera mic, or even you can attach the microphone to this USB-C port in power module. Camera itself is waterproof, but as soon as you connect it to the power module is not waterproof. This is not waterproof, so that's why you need a case, the waterproof case. 2 features which this camera shines in is stabilization. You can hold your camera in your hand walking like that and your image will be rock steady. The other thing is horizon steady, so if you record the footage in 1080p, and even if you turn the camera like this, the horizon stay in level all time. So that's great. That's something I never seen before. Okay, so let's talk about overheating. I didn't experience any during that video shoot because I was recording clips up to 5 second max. When I ran tests of continuously recording, camera went down after 7 minutes in 4K 60 and 5 minutes 4K 120, which is not good. And really, if you want the camera to record for a longer period of time or longer than 5 minutes in that situation, check something else. You gotta remember that this is action camera, yeah, and you buy it because you want to record your crazy stunts, you're a sportsman, I don't know, you're doing snowboarding or wherever. And the thing is that this front lens cover, it's not replaceable. So if the camera drops, you're done. You have to replace it or you have to send it back to DJI to repair. My final thoughts, what I like about this camera, it's inside the metal shell with magnetic connection. You can stick it anywhere to the metal things. Boom, great, I like it. 4K up to 120 frames per second, which is good. Audio straight off the camera is great. Decent light color, flat profile, usable in post-production, great. And stabilization, wow, stabilization, rock steady, it's awesome, and horizon steady is even better. Yes, these things I like. But what is the major deal breaker for me? Well, overheating, yeah. If you want to use it just for short clips of 10-15 seconds or up to a minute, you're fine, yeah. But if you want to record for longer, overheat, boom, shut down. That's deal breaker for me anyway. Yeah, and the other thing, low light is very bad. Low light capabilities, it's crappy really. And the last thing, no replaceable lens cover. If it drops, boom, you're done. Yeah, would I recommend it? Am I gonna keep that camera? Well, no, because I don't do any crazy sport. And the major problem, this overheating, is no for me. If you like that video, please subscribe for more, like it, comment what do you actually think about this whole thing. And I've got more things coming on your way. Yeah, I've got the products I bought for myself, camera gear. This is not mine, by the way. There's always a reason why I buy the stuff for filmmaking, for photography, and I want to share my thoughts with you about them. We all humans, we all do mistakes, even if I need to do like 100 times, hello YouTube, boom, hello YouTube. Yes, let's have fun with it. These are the bloopers. Come on. Hello YouTube, hello YouTube, hello YouTube, YouTube. All right. Another con about this shit. Lucky me. We were there already, so we thought, so we wanted, so we just go, we went So let me tell you a bit, co mi się kurwa włączasz? Okay, shooting that sequence because I was recording Thanks for watching and see you next time. Boom!